What's going on, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and we have a very quick unboxing for you guys. Inside this box is only 3 different silver coins, but some very awesome ones. 2 of them that are new to the channel, one that we have had before, but I wanted to share this awesome unboxing with you anyway, guys, and take a really up close look at these beautiful silver coins. Now, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and tear this open to get into it. This is an order from AppMex, as is the norm. As you can see inside of the box, we do have our plastic package. So we'll go ahead and tear that out. Now, we know the invoice is going to be inside of this package, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this thing open, but I will pull the invoice out off camera just so you don't see it. No offense to you. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right, there it is. Wha-bam! It is gone. So the invoice is out, and inside we have our silver. So let's get started. We'll pull out the first one. Okay, so this one here, I actually only ordered 3 of these. Now, we've seen this on the channel before. In fact, I was one of a number of channels that got to debut this coin live, or one of the channels that got to debut this coin right before it came out. This is the 1 ounce silver Vergold Drayek. This is the triangle coin. This is the 2020 Australia 1 ounce of 99 fine silver. Vergold Drayek does mean gilt dragon. And man, I tell you what, these are absolutely beautiful 1 ounce silver coins. Right there, you can see the shipwreck on the reverse. Take a look at that, guys. Official Australia coin. This is actually legal tender. Therefore, it is actually a coin. And it is really, really beautiful. All right, we got 2 more different coins inside this package. So there's the 3 Vergold Drayeks. All right, let's go ahead and get in here and pull this out. So this looks like, I know what this is gonna be. There's 10 of these. So let's go ahead and get one out of the plastic so you guys can take a look at it. Ooh, this is a sealed shrink wrapped 10 roll. So I figured it was gonna be a half roll, but not the case. Let's go ahead and cut that open and get inside. All right, so let's take a look, guys. Let's get her close to the camera. You can see this is Elizabeth, Australia, 2020, $1. 1 ounce of silver. It is the Australia Zoo Sumatran tiger. Look at that, 1 ounce of 99 AG. Look at the tiger splashing in the water there. Maybe his name's Tony, we don't know. Anyway, very, very gorgeous 1 ounce silver coin. We'll tilt that this way, we'll tilt it that way. Taking a look at this in beautiful high resolution. Look at that, guys, absolutely gorgeous. 1 ounce silver Sumatran tiger, or Sumatran tiger maybe. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong in some way, and I'm sure someone's gonna correct me in this video. Anyway, we did get 10 of those. And then there's only one other thing in here, and I went ahead and ordered 2 tubes of them because I really like this series. So let's go ahead and slide the tubes out. Well, you can see just by looking at the label what we're about to see. But you can see these have the Comsco, or the Korean, it's the Korean Minting Security Publishing and ID Card Operating Corp, or something like that. I'm trying to read it very small. Yeah, I think I read it right. But it has this really cool seal on it just to show you that it's sealed. Check that out. That's really, really neat. So you know right there, this one's actually never been opened. And flip around to the other side, and it has one on that side as well. So really cool. I have 2 sealed of these. I do know that last year's did not come with this really cool label. So I'm pretty excited to get into these and get them open. So let's go ahead and slice through. Oh, I don't think I got it dead on. There we go. Slice through. Yeah, I did. Okay. And then I think AppMex put some tape on this side, so we'll cut through the tape there. We'll cut through the security seal here and cut right there. And we should be good to go. There we go. All right, so as is every year with these really cool metals, we have Republic of Korea 2020 fine silver 99 1 clay. And you can see here in the hologram, it has AG, and if you tilt it this way, you can see it's 999 AG. Really cool Comsco there. Really, really beautiful design. Let's go ahead and take one of these out of the tube. And here we go. Guys, we have the 2020 1 ounce silver South Korea Zsin Rattus. That is a very, very gorgeous design right there. I actually like this one quite a bit. That is really cool. So guys, that is what we picked up in today's unboxing. We got the 2 tubes of the Zeus and Rattus because I did want a lot of those. We got 10 of these Sumatran tigers, and then we got 3 more of these beautiful 1 ounce silver Vergold Drex. Gorgeous, gorgeous silver. All right, guys. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I do want to really quickly give a huge shout out to my channel members. Thank you so much for all of your support. Guys, above me, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click and subscribe. And over here, you can check out some of the other videos I have posted. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.